This video will show you how to set up and use the Lenovo Smart Clock Essential with Google Assistant. To set up the smart clock, we are first going to take it out of the box and plug it in. Next, we are going to open the Google Home app on our phone. If your phone doesn't already have the app, you can download it for free from the App Store or the Play Store. In the Home app, click the plus icon to add a device. Select a home and click Next. The Home app should notify you if there is a Lenovo Smart Clock Essential nearby. Choose a room in your smart home to set up the device. It's important to set up the device on the same network as any other smart device you may want to link it to. Continue to follow the steps to set up your Smart Clock Essential. Now that the Smart Clock Essential is set up on your home network, it is ready to use. The device comes with a non-touch LED display. 4 lights on the top of the screen indicate statuses like the volume level and if your smart assistant is active. Below that is a line that shows you which day of the week it is. The 2 symbols next to the hour display indicate if you have an alarm set or if your mic is muted. Below the hour display is the weather indicators. This shows the current weather for your location. And below the minute display is the temperature indicator. There are 4 function buttons on the top of your device. The plus and minus buttons allow you to control the volume of your device. The play button allows you to pause and play any media coming out of your device's speaker. The alarm clock allows you to view and set your alarms. To set an alarm, hold down the clock button until the days at the top start flashing. Pressing the plus and minus buttons cycle through the different days you can set your alarm. You can set it for 7-day weeks, 5-day weeks, weekends, or individual days. Press the clock icon again to select the hour. Continue to use the plus and minus button to cycle through the hour you want to set. Continue to cycle through it to set AM or PM. Hit the clock button again to set the minutes. The number on the bottom indicates which alarm preset is currently displayed. You can have more than one alarm preset. You can also delete an alarm by pressing the clock and minus button. On the back of the device is a USB charging port that you can use to charge devices and a microphone mute switch. The back of the device also has a nightlight that you can turn on by pressing and holding the minus button. Hold the minus button again to turn off the nightlight. The Smart Clock Essential allows you to control your smart home, play music, and more with voice commands. If you need to perform a factory reset, hold the clock and minus button for 12 seconds. If you want to learn more about setting up and using Lenovo smart home devices, go to smartsupport.lenovo.com.